Friends, in the last video, you understood the shapes we get when we trace objects from the surroundings. Today, we will understand some interesting facts related to tracing objects. Hey, Tallman, look, this is cube-shaped toy. And this is cuboid-shaped toy. Now tell me, which shape would we get when we trace these cube and cuboid-shaped toys?
Let's keep these toys on a paper and trace them.
If we keep this cube toy on paper and trace it, then we will get a square shape like this. And if we keep this cuboid toy on paper and trace it, then also we will get a square shape like this.
Oh, but why do we get the square shape when we trace both these toys?
Because the base of these two toys are square. And we have traced both the toys with their base.
Yes, I understood.
Let's now change their base and keep both the toys like this. Now tell me, which shape would we get when we will trace these two toys?
If we keep this cube toy on paper and trace it, then we will get the square shape like this. And if we keep this cuboid toy on paper and trace it, then we will get the big square shape like this.
Oh, Tallman, we will get the square shape if we will trace this square toy. But when we trace this cuboid toy, we do not get a big square shape, but we get a rectangle shape.
Hey, but how will we identify this square and rectangle shape?
Look carefully. The measurements of the sides are the same in this shape. So, this is a square.
And in a rectangle shape?
This is a rectangle shape. In a rectangle, the measurements of the opposite sides are the same.
Yes, now I understand it very well that the shape we get when we trace the cuboid is not a big square, but it is a rectangle.
Yes, so Tallman, remember that if we will keep the cube-shaped toy in any way and trace it, then we will always get the square shape. And if we will trace the cuboid shape, then we will always get either a square or a rectangle shape. Yes, so friends, today in this video, we learned some interesting facts related to the cube and cuboid-shaped objects from our surroundings. Friends, now you will be able to identify the square and rectangle very well, right? Yes, very good. Friends, in the next video, we will learn to identify different shapes we will get when we trace the objects from our surroundings.